Alright, so what we have here is headlights for Hyundai Elantra. Problem is that moisture is coming in. As you can see, there's water inside. So we have to find where's the moisture is coming in. But it seems like it's coming in from the bottom. It's right there. See that? Because it's wet. And also probably the seal cracked. So we're going to find where the leak is. So let's do it. Okay, so as you can see, this headlights is fully sealed. There's no way for us to put our smoke detector. So we're going to make a hole here, right? So that we can put our smoke detector and start the smoking process. And then afterward, we're just going to seal it back. So here's our hole, and here's our smoke detector. Let's turn it on. Right, we should have a smoke coming out soon. Slowly, we're getting a smoke. As you can see, there's a smoke, and this detector is hooked up to the battery. As you can see, now we have a smoke, and we'll just put it in here, right, and wait for the leak. So it's right there. The leak is coming in the bottom, from the bottom here. As you can see. Also probably it will bubble also. If we're going to put a water in. Alright, so here is our leak. That's where our moisture coming out or coming in. So yeah, that's it. Okay, so now here's our leak location of our leak here. So let's get rid of this plastic. We'll see what we have. What do you know? There's a crack right here. So here's our problem. So here's where our moisture gets in. This crack here. Not sure if there's more. I think there's more here, but we're going to smoke it again. We're going to smoke it again and we'll see. Alright, so how am I gonna fix this? We're going to use Super Weld. It's more like a epoxy. And first you're going to have to clean the crack. Make sure there's no more debris there or anything like that, or chemicals. So make sure you put lots of alcohol. Right? And then after this we're going to put the glue where the crack is, and at the same time we're going to vacuum the lights. So we're gonna vacuum from here where the hole is, so that when you put the glue, the vacuum will suck all the glue in from inside out, or sorry, from outside in. So yeah, let's do it. So here's our vacuum setup, right? I'm using the brake bleeder vacuum, and let's open the knob just a little bit, right? So now you can see it start bubbling there, because that's where the air is coming in, right? So here we can just slow it down a little bit, the vacuum is. Right there. And then we can start putting the glue. And maybe we can crank it up. So now at this point, just gonna let it dry and check it again afterwards if you still have a leak. So let's wait it out. Alright, so it seems like the glue is dry now, and we'll see if we still have a leak. Alright, so the smoke detector is already hooked up underneath. Okay, so go to our machine over here. So now let's start it on, and then we spray it with soapy water here. See if we have still have a bubbles. Let's turn it on. Look for bubbles. None. There is no bubbles. Right? So this is fixed. Okay. Let's turn it on again. No bubble also. Let's check it out if we still have pressure. There you go. See? So you have pressure, but there's no more bubbles. That's it. This thing is fixed. Thank you for watching.